Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another exciting update on the world of luxury living and innovation. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about the much anticipated 2025 luxurious motorhome house with garden. This revolutionary blend of high-end motorhome design and modern lifestyle technology has set the bar higher than ever. Imagine a home on wheels, crafted not only for mobility but for unparalleled comfort, luxury, and sustainability. The updates and news surrounding this masterpiece have everyone talking, and we're here to break it all down for you. The 2025 luxurious motorhome house with garden is redefining what it means to travel in style. Its exterior design is a perfect mix of sleek aerodynamics and robust build quality, ensuring it turns heads wherever it goes. Crafted with lightweight, durable materials, the motorhome house with garden optimizes fuel efficiency while maintaining its commanding presence on the road. It features customizable exteriors, allowing owners to personalize the vehicle with unique paint finishes, premium alloy wheels, and even solar panel integration for an eco-conscious touch. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement of taste and individuality. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by an interior that rivals five-star luxury apartments. The 2025 luxurious motorhome house with garden boasts open-concept living spaces with high ceilings, panoramic windows, and cutting-edge smart technology. Every detail has been meticulously designed, from the premium leather upholstery to the handcrafted wood finishes. The fully equipped kitchen includes top-of-the-line appliances like an induction cooktop, convection oven, and smart refrigerator that syncs with your devices. The living area features a state-of-the-art entertainment system with a retractable OLED TV, surround sound, and seamless connectivity for streaming or gaming. It's the perfect setup for relaxing or entertaining, whether parked in a scenic location or on the move. One of the standout features of the 2025 luxurious motorhome house with garden is its focus on sustainability and energy efficiency. Equipped with advanced solar panels and a cutting-edge battery system, it allows for off-grid living without compromising on modern conveniences. The water filtration and recycling system ensures minimal environmental impact, while the use of energy-efficient appliances further reduces the carbon footprint. This commitment to sustainability doesn't just make it a smarter choice, it's also a forward-thinking investment in a greener future. When it comes to comfort, the motorhome house with garden delivers on all fronts. The master bedroom features a king-sized bed with adaptive memory foam, climate-controlled settings, and ambient lighting for the ultimate relaxation experience. The bathroom is nothing short of spa-like, with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and smart mirrors that display weather updates or your morning schedule. For families or larger groups, the modular seating and sleeping arrangements provide flexible options, ensuring everyone has their own space to unwind. Safety and convenience are, of course, top priorities in this 2025 model. It includes an advanced driver assistance system with features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras for effortless maneuvering. The smart home integration extends to voice-activated controls for lighting, temperature, and security. With a built-in GPS system that suggests the best scenic routes and camping spots, the motorhome house with garden ensures every journey is as smooth as it is memorable. It's more than just a motorhome, it's a travel companion that anticipates your every need. The 2025 luxurious motorhome house with garden is already creating waves with its innovative approach to travel and living. Whether you're a digital nomad, a family seeking new adventures, or someone who values luxury on the go, this motorhome is the ultimate dream. Keep an eye out for its release, and let us know in the comments what features you're most excited about. Stay tuned for more updates on luxury lifestyle trends, and as always, thanks for watching. If we like the video, please subscribe to my channel.